The Urilyzer 500 Pro is a semi-automated urine test strip analyzer of the latest generation. The high throughput of up to 500 tests per hour in combination with state-of-the-art operator and data management functions provides the ideal system for mid-size to bigger laboratories and for hospitals. The Urilyzer 500 Pro provides multi-level operator management and extended connectivity options in order to meet the growing demands for compliance management and data capture. In combination with the urine test strips CombiScreen 11sys and 11sys Plus, the system offers uncompromising ease of use, high quality, and efficiency in a compact format. The setup of the Urilyzer is very simple. Only the strip timer rake and the printer paper need to be inserted. The power connection, 3 USB ports, an Ethernet interface, a PS2 interface for connecting a barcode reader or a keyboard, as well as a serial interface for a direct connection to a PC, are located on the backside of the analyzer. Upon the first startup of the Urilyzer 500 Pro, the installation wizard appears, which allows an adjustment of the basic settings of the instrument and adaptation to the user's needs. Once you have selected a language out of 8 possibilities, you can set date and time in the next step. The Urilyzer 500 Pro offers an extensive operator management where you can create individual user accounts. Unauthorized use or modification of critical settings is prevented by selecting predefined security levels. All measurements and quality control results can be traced back to the respective user. Now you can choose which information the printout should contain. For example, a recommendation for further sediment analysis or a headline can be added. For quality control measurements, a QC reminder or logout can be set in a defined interval. The QC results of the control measurements are compared to the specified target values. The basic settings are now completed and can be viewed and edited under the menu item Options. We recommend performing a quality control measurement before starting routine work in order to guarantee proper functioning of the urine test strips and the device. The target ranges of the CombiScreen Control PN can be stored manually or via barcode scanner, which are then used for comparison. The passed QC test is marked green in the menu. With its efficient ascorbic acid protection for the blood and glucose test pad and a distinct color change in the clinical relevant range, Analyticon's CombiScreen Plus urine test strips are among the market leaders in this field. Since high concentration of ascorbic acid, better known as vitamin C, can lead to false negative results with these parameters, the ascorbic acid protection is very important. The analyzer recognizes the urine test strip and the measurement is started automatically. Positive results are marked on the printout. You can either create a work list manually, use a barcode scanner, or obtain it from a laboratory information system. While processing the list, urine test strips can be placed continuously as soon as the previous strip has been transported. The test strip is automatically centered and an exact positioning is not necessary. Immediately after placing the test strip, you have the opportunity to add further information such as color, turbidity, or a comment to a sample. At this time, the patient ID clearly shows which sample is being processed. At the end of the working day, switch off the Urilyzer and clean the surface with a damp cloth. Please make sure that no liquid enters the device or the printer tray. Do not use an aggressive cleaner or spray bottle for cleaning. Afterwards, rinse the strip tray, the strip timer rake and the drip protection under running water and disinfect them with a suitable disinfectant, for example 70% alcohol. Make sure that all components are completely dry before reinserting.